This colorful pastoral oil painting shows farm animals working in central France with great detail. The oxen, overshadowing the farmers themselves, are plowing the earth in fall to aerate it in winter. You can even see saliva drooling from some oxen's mouths. This is a fairly large painting, and the top half of the painting, filled mostly with a pale blue sky, emphasizes the foreground activity. When it was unveiled, it was widely celebrated as a simple tribute to farm life. Today you can find this painting at the Musée d'Orsay in Paris.